Welcome to Mr. Campbell's PE channel. I'm Mr. Campbell, and this is Mr. Padilla. This is the underhand throwing lesson. Let's get throwing! Let's launch this lesson. 3, 2, 1, ¡vámonos! El viaje ha comenzado. Take the time to read the standard and success criteria with a partner. Get excited for our special guest. You guessed it, it's Mr. Padilla. He played baseball at Kamehameha Schools. Let's welcome Mr. Padilla.
Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Padilla.
Listen up, everybody. Mr. Padilla is going to share his 4 steps to underhand throwing. Let's get throwing. Hey, Mr. Padilla, why do we need to face a target when we're underhand throwing?
So I want to face my target so that I can throw the softball accurately.
Cool. So why would we want to swing our arm back and forward to underhand throw?
I want to be able to generate enough force for the softball to travel the distance into the trash can.
Dang, take it easy, Mr. Padilla. Wow, but what's the deal about releasing the ball below the waist when we underhand throw?
I want to release the ball below my waist so I can maintain accuracy while maximizing the force.
That was above the waist, Mr. Padilla. Good one, Mr. Padilla. When we underhand throw, why do we want to step with the opposite foot?
I step with my opposite foot so that I can maintain my accuracy and generate the force to throw the softball correctly.
Silly Mr. Padilla. I bet he'll balance better next time when he steps with the opposite foot. Thanks, Mr. Padilla, for sharing your 4 steps to underhand throw.
Bye everybody. Good luck underhand throwing.
Piensa, or think about the 4 steps to underhand throwing. Par, or pair up with a partner. Then comparta, or talk with your partner about what the 4 steps to underhand throwing mean to the both of you. Make a softball with Mrs. Campbell. What? Verificación de equipo. What household materials will we need to succeed? We're gonna need a cardboard box, maybe a couple, that racing baton, and a softball, or 2, or 3, or 4. Let's get those muscles fired up. Get that jump rope out to get warmed up. Do each jump rope exercise for 30 seconds. You got this. Did you notice we are using racing batons as our jump ropes? Let's get underhand throwing! Try underhand throwing into a box, or see if you can knock down a racing baton. It's okay to face a target and swing your arm back and forth to underhand throw. As you get more comfortable, Use Mr. Padilla's 4 steps to underhand throw. I'm showing a bunch of different ways to participate in underhand throwing. Use Mr. Padilla's 4 steps to underhand throw to try and throw into a box, or knock down a racing baton. Phew! It's time to cool down. Let's cool down together with some stretches to prevent injury. Mrs. Campbell is going to lead us through a quick yoga sesh to cool us down. Be thinking about how you were successful earlier in the lesson as you cool down. Felicidades! We're on the home stretch. Answer the success criteria question with a partner. It's time to power up and refuel the body. Do you smell that? I wonder what's cooking at the local Waffle House. It's a banana egg waffle. Just mash up some banana and eggs together and put them on the waffle iron. It's a great source of protein and potassium. Enjoy! Congratulations! You made it through the party ball lesson. Don't forget to fill out the Google assignment in the comment section below. Till next time, everybody, this is Mr. Campbell saying thank you and stay active.